Ready to supercharge your YouTube live streams and connect with your audience in real time. Let's jump right in and learn how to enable live chat, a vital component for building a vibrant community. First, head over to YouTube Studio via your profile picture or by typing studioio.com. Once inside YouTube Studio, locate and click the Create button in the top right, represented by a video camera icon with a plus sign from the drop-down. Select Go Live. You'll be presented with stream options. Select Stream for immediate streaming or Manage for scheduled broadcasts. Your stream creation will vary, but chat settings are often within the Live Settings tab. Look for an Enable Live Chat toggle. Ensure it is switched on or active for viewer interaction. Enabling chat integrates it onto your selected live stream. Viewers can immediately begin messaging. You can moderate the live chat while live, adjust chat settings, consider message speed, and the settings icon will let you decide if you allow users to reuse chat messages. And that's it. You've now enabled live chat, enriching your streams and building community. Engage with your audience now. Start chatting.